For you, hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Zaleka, guys. In this video, I'm talking about shortly Zaleka. That what's the price changes occur, what will be the next move of Zaleka. Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly first of all subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos, guys. This time, guys, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of Zaleka in the market, so let me show you 0.109516 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Leica, and a lot of holders of the Leica message me that when there is possibilities that the price of the Leica will pump. So guys, you know what, don't worry about the price dump. You know what, just from yesterday the price started dumping. So now it's very difficult. I'm not sure about that only the price dump, but possibilities, there is 50-50 possibilities that the price pump or dump in the upcoming 5 to 6 days. But in the beginning of a new month, I'm sure that possibilities that in the beginning of a new month the price of the Leica will pump. I'm sure about that. So you know what, that's my personal prediction about Zelenka. And other side, if we study the price chart, so that's last 1 day price chart from yesterday. As I told you guys that the price continuously dumping, but don't worry guys, very soon it just need time, guys, just hold. Absolutely. For instance, guys, you know what, now Zelika is also going in the lows from last 2 days, but you have to hold, guys. If you decide to sell, so that's mean that you're in the loss, especially short time investor, those people who buy Zeleka yesterday, so they were completely in the loss, so you have to hold, guys. Other side, guys, I think it's also opportunity for all of you that the price of Zeleka becomes more cheap. So I think it's a good time to buy Zeleka because the price is very low, and when the price increase, so sell it, you get a profit. Very easy, guys. Just invest and forget it. After 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, after 2 months, check the price of the Leica. If you're in the profit, so sell. If you're not, so hold more and more. That's how you can easily earn from crypto. Thanks for watching, guys. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about the Leica? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.